What is a name that sounds like it's given to a very annoying person?
Dinkelberg.
There was a boy called Eustace Clarence Scrubb, and he almost deserved it.
Paryknight.
Broderick, shortened to Brod, but Brooder behind his back.
Anyone else scrolling through here looking for their own names?
Heavenly.
Biggus Dickus.
Kyler.
You seem to know them all, lmao. Every goddamn comment has been responded by up. Kendall.
Tiffany or Brittany?
Fucking hate Tammy's. Tick.
Nevaeh, Angel, Hayley, or any name with lots of extra unnecessary letters.
Troy.
Kyle, Tammy, Chad, etc.
Blarnt edit. I misunderstood the question.
Tiffany.
Tristy.
Jem. Only met one person named Jem, and they were the loudest and most annoying person I'd ever met as a kid.